This lesson focuses on spelling words with double letters. Your cue words are suffix, prefix, and double letter rules. Your vocabulary. Suffix, a letter or letters added to the end of a word. Prefix, letter or letters added to the start of a word. Some words have double letters in them, and this occurs for several different reasons. Being familiar with the following reasons for doubling letters will help you to spell the words correctly. Some words have double letters because the base word was originally spelled that way. Others have double letters because of the addition of a suffix or a prefix. Words that are originally spelled with double letters may have multiple sets of double letters in them. For example, opportunity has one set with the P. Address and embarrass have two sets, and committee even has three. Other words get double letters because you've added a suffix. You should remember that we had a rule previously talking about doubling a consonant in a word that has a stressed syllable with one vowel and one consonant. Remember, when a word ends in a stressed syllable with one vowel and one consonant, you need to double the final consonant before you add a suffix that starts with vowel. This is true unless the final consonant is a W, X, or a Y. Sometimes we also double a consonant just because of the suffix we've added. For example, if the suffix starts with a consonant that doubles the final consonant of the word we're adding to, you would have a doubled consonant and a double letter in the spelling word. To remind you, vowels are A, E, I, O, and U, sometimes Y. Consonants are all letters that are not vowels, and a syllable is the smallest part of a word's pronunciation. So a stressed syllable is the part of a word's pronunciation that receives more spoken emphasis than any other syllables. Examples of words that double when you add a suffix would be permitted, preferring, and forgetting. Some words will gain double letters because you add a prefix. This is because you just add a prefix to the start of a word. So, words like misspell, immature, or dissatisfied all double their consonants. So does non-negotiable, because they ended in the same consonant that the word they were being added to started. Now, what you're going to do is go back through the last few slides, and you're going to add two examples that you create on your own to the double letter words provided in your example section on your notes. You cannot use the examples that are already there, so you need to come up with two more base words that have double letters in them, two more words that double letters because you add a suffix, and two more words that double letters because you add a prefix. Once you've finished that exercise, you're going to complete the following. Write or rewrite each of the words so that they have a double letter as necessary. They need to be spelled correctly. If the word is already correct, write the phrase correct as is. Check your work. Make sure that you have your notes completed. Take the practice quiz on Edmodo, and then click the turn-in button on the weekly assignment. You should review your notes in preparation for the quiz in class, and don't forget to put your name on your notes so you can turn them in after your open notes quiz.